A performance appraisal is a formal process where a manager evaluates an employee's job performance, skills, and contribution to the company over a specific period against set goals, providing feedback and guiding development, compensation, and promotion decisions. Also called performance reviews or evaluations. It assesses work quality, achievements, attitude, and potential for growth to align individual efforts with company objectives, often resulting in rating bounces or improvement plans. Key aspects of performance appraisals. Purpose: to provide feedback, justify salary, bonus decisions, identify training needs, improve performance, and support career development. Process: managers assess an employee's performance, often using predefined criteria against goals set earlier. Frequency: typically annual, semi-annual, or quarterly with ongoing check-ins. Components: evaluate job, knowledge, skills, work ethic, attendance, and contribution to goals. Outcomes: can lead to raises, bounces, promotions, or performance improvement plans. How it works. Goal settings. Goals are established at the beginning of the period. Monitoring and feedback. Ongoing check-ins between manager and employee. Formal evaluation. Manager assesses performance against goals and criteria. Review meeting. A formal discussion to provide feedback and set future goals. Why is performance appraisal important? Performance appraisals are crucial for aligning employee efforts with company goals, driving development through constructive feedback, and informing key HR decision like promotion, raises, and training needs, and ultimately boosting performance, engagement, and retention by providing clear expectations and rewarding contributions. Implementing effective performance appraisal practices. To implement effective performance appraisal practices, organizations should define clear criteria, define clear and objective performances criteria, and standards for evaluation. Use multiple methods. Use multiple evaluation methods such as self-assessment, manager's assessment, and 360-degree feedback to gather comprehensive performance data. Ensure consistency. Implement process to ensure consistency and fairness in performance evaluations across the organization. Document results. Document performance appraisal results, feedback, and goals to track progress and support development. Challenges of implementing performance appraisal. While performing appraisal offers benefits, implementing it also presents challenges. Bias. Mitigating potential bias and subjectivity in performance evaluations. Consistency. Ensuring consistency and fairness in the appraisal process across different departments and managers. Feedback. Providing constructive feedback in a way that is supportive and encourages improvement. Time and resources. Allocating the necessary time and resources to conduct true and effective performance appraisals. Supporting employee development with performance appraisal. Performance appraisals is essential for providing feedback, recognizing achievements, and supporting employee development by defining clear criteria, using multiple evaluation methods, providing training, ensuring consistency, and documenting results. Organizations can implement effective performance appraisal practices that enhance employee performance and supporting organizational goals.